Instruction format of 8085 microprocessor. So what is an instruction? An instruction is a binary pattern that is designed inside a microprocessor to perform a specific function, or we can define an instruction as a command that is given to a computer to perform a specific task. Every instruction is having two parts, or each instruction is consisting of two parts. The first part is called as opcode and the second part is called as operand. So what is opcode and what is operand? Opcode part of an instruction specifies the operation to be performed, and the operand part provides the data or specifies the data. So the operand can be specified in the number of ways. It can be 8-bit register or a 16-bit general purpose register. It can be a memory location. It can be a 8-bit port address or 16-bit memory address, or it can be an implicit operand. In 8085 microprocessor, there are three types of instructions. The first one is 1-byte instruction, second one is 2-byte instruction, and the third one is 3-byte instruction. 1-byte instruction means where only opcode is there. In such instructions, the operand is either in the register pair, or it is implicit. The format of this 1-byte instruction is opcode. For example, if we are writing an instruction like move a comma b, it is a 1-byte instruction. So this instruction is having only a opcode. Let's say the opcode is 78H. So 78H is what? It is a 1 byte. So the total number of memory location required for this instruction is 1 byte. That's why it is called as 1-byte instruction. 2-byte instruction specifies the opcode as well as operand, where the operand is 8-bit data or 8-bit address of the port from where the data has to be fetched. Format of this 2-byte instruction is the first part is opcode and the second part is operand. For example, if the instruction is MVI A,07H, this instruction means the 07 is the operand and MVI A is having a opcode. This instruction means 07 data is going to move immediately to accumulator. Let's say in machine language, MVI A is having a opcode that is 3E, and 07 is the data, actual data, that the next is 07. For these two, 3E and 07, the microprocessor will require two memory locations. One memory location for storing 3E opcode and second memory location is required for storing 07 data. That's why this type of instruction is called as 2-byte instruction. As it required two memory locations, that's why it is a 2-byte instruction. In 3-byte instruction, the first byte specifies the opcode, the second and the third byte specifies either a 16-bit data or a 16-bit address of a memory location. So the format is opcode, operand and operand. This total operand is a 16-bit data or a 16-bit memory location. For example, let's say the instruction is LXIH, 2000H. This instruction means 2000 is what? A 16-bit data that is immediately loaded into HL register pair. And second example can be LDA 2800H. This means 2800 is a 16-bit memory location. Correspond to this memory location whatever be the data that is going to load into the accumulator. So here the data or the address is of 16 bit, that means it require a 2 memory locations for storage, and LXIH or LDA, these two are having a opcode of 8 bit, that means the total instruction require a 3 memory location for its storage. That's why it is called as 3 byte instruction.